Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove and replace ignition coil on Mercedes C-Class. This one should be the generation 2008 to 2015. We will demonstrate on C250 here with a 1.8 turbo engine, but other engines might be very close procedure as well. So we're going to go ahead, open the hood. You can see first you don't see the ignition coils, but don't worry, that's fine. We will have more than 200 videos taking this whole car apart, so if you need anything guys, we'll probably upload it pretty soon. So please like the page, okay, like and follow us, and we'll have quite a few videos coming soon. So the ignition coils are under that engine cover, so all you have to do is just grab it and pull it straight up. Okay, it just comes up like that. Now let me show you, okay, where it attaches. Okay, you can see those four things, they go in these rubber bushings right here. Now those are the ignition coils right here, 1, 2, 3 and 4 cylinder 4 ignition coils. Now this one guys, okay, we'll show you how to remove and replace the second one. If you have a code for ignition coil, usually for ignition coil the code will be something like P0352, which means number 2, the last digit of the code, is the cylinder number. So in our case will be ignition coil number 2. So in order to remove and replace ignition coil, okay, you need to disconnect the wiring harness first. You see those two things, you have to squish them like that towards each other and pull it out. Never ever pull for the wires, grab for the plug itself. Now we will use a torque, this is a reverse torque. Okay, let me see what number this one is. Reverse Torx 8 E8. You can find the tools and the parts that we use guys listed in the description of the video below, so if you need anything just check it out for your convenience. Now we'll need to remove two bolts so we can get the ignition coil out of there. Okay, and you can see pretty long bolts. As I said, we have more than 200 videos taking this car apart, so please like and follow us. Okay, now you grab it and you just pull it straight up, careful not to catch any wires in the way. It will be stuck because it's on top of the spark plug. Okay, and this is the old ignition coil out of the car now. So we get the replacement coil now. And we're just going to install it in reverse order that we took it apart. You want to make sure that it clicks all the way in. It's on top of the spark plug. Shiny new coil there. Install the two bolts. Just get them tied by hand with the ratchet, but don't over tighten them. Okay, perfect. Install the wiring harness until it clicks all the way in. Now, the last thing left is just to place the engine cap on top and just push it in. And that's the whole procedure guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.